This is Lalaine from Magically Kawaling Pinoy. Today, gagawa tayo ng aking paboritong shrimp with oyster sauce at homemade mais con queso ice cream. Ang una natin gagawin is shrimp with oyster sauce. Very simple dish you can have ready in under 30 minutes. You can use a toothpick, find yung vein dito and then try to pull it up, yung intestinal tract niya. You can also make an incision dito sa back nito and then alisin yung intestinal tract. So now na naka-prepare na ang ating mga ingredients, we'll add first our onions. We'll just give it a bit of head start para mag-soften lang ng konti before we add our garlic. Kasi ang garlic, as we all know, madaling masunog and it magiging bitter. Fish sauce. Usually, bigyan ko lang siya ng a few seconds lang na mag-simmer ng konti. So, ang next step natin is tomato sauce. Bigyan lang natin siya ng a minute or two na ma-reduce ng konti. Yung shrimp mo dapat well-drained kasi you don't want the extra liquid or extra moisture. I-add na natin ng shrimp. Tapos lutuin lang natin until mag-change ng color ang shrimp. You don't want to overcook it kasi magiging tough yung shrimp mo and harder to peel. So now na nag-change na siya ng kulay, we're ready to add our finishing touch, our favorite Maggi oyster sauce. Bigyan natin siya maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce to level it up and give it that umami boost and a touch of sweetness. So i-mix lang hanggang well-coated yung shrimps with sauce. So as you can see, ready na ang shrimp. Mag-a-add tayo ng magic sarap. Just sprinkle some of that magic in para ma-level up ng husto ang ating dish. Forget fork and spoon. Ito yung dish na kailangan kamayin for best experience. So, umpisahan na natin. Hihiwalay ko yung ulo kasi mamaya behind the scenes kakainin ko yan. Tender siya with a sweet and salty taste na napakasarap sa kanin. So for our last recipe of the day, we're going to make a special mais con hielo. For successful ice cream, dapat ang mga Nestle cream mo, ang condensed milk mo, mga bitters, bowls, very cold. So while we're waiting for those items to chill, mag-grate muna ako ng aking cheese. If you want a more pungent taste, you can use sharp cheddar and then we'll check on our Nestle cream. So this recipe will use 2 packs of all-purpose cream, tapos 1 can of kondensada. So pag-start tayo ng low. Depende sa init ng kitchen mo, it can be madaling mag-drop yung temperature. A good way is ilagay mo siya on top of an ice bath para ma-maintain mo yung cold temperature. So, fold lang natin gently. Konti lang to give that savory contrast of flavor. 1 or 2 tablespoons ng cream corn, or you can even use cut corn. So we'll add our cheese and we'll fold it, being careful not to deflate the cream. So, we'll transfer the mixture dito sa pan and then if i-freeze natin siya, around maybe 4 to 5 hours pag nag-freeze ako ng homemade ice cream. So, i-level mo lang siya and then, one important step na hindi mo dapat skip is i-cover mo siya ng plastic film. And then, you press it sa surface ng cream mixture. This way, you will prevent yung formation of ice crystals. So this will go to the freezer. In 4 to 6 hours, we'll have a delicious mais con hielo treat. See you in a bit. Now for the fun part, i-assemble na natin ang ating special mais con hielo. We'll start with cut corn. Magle-layer tayo dito. What makes our mais con hielo special is itong creamy ice cream na to. So as you can see, ang ating homemade ice cream ay para na rin store-bought in terms of texture. Ang maganda pa for making your own ice cream at home, alam mo what goes into your food. So by making it at home, may control ka how sweet you want it. Actually, as is, masarap na to. You can put whipped cream. But my favorite topping is corn flakes. Lagyan natin siya. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng Rice Krispies. Classic dessert na ginawang mas special with homemade mais con queso ice cream. Being a food blogger is my favorite part of my job. Ang kumain ng aking mga ginagawa at linuluto. Napaka-rich and creamy. At saka yung cut corn. It's like a party in your mouth. Ganun ang lasa niya. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the recipes. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Basta? Ay, masarap siya. Try it.
Watch Cook with Magic kasama si Kawaling Pinoy para sa mas pinasarap at mas pinadaling Pinoy favorites sa Nestle Goodness YouTube channel.